a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
I am Mohammad Shariful Islam. My nickname is Sharif. I live at Nohata in Shirpur district. Uh, I I'm from Muslim family. I have 5 members in my family. They are my parents, my younger sister, and elder brothers, and myself. My father's name is Khokon Mia, and he is a worker, and my mother's name is Mohammed and Mrs. Shurfa Begum, and she is homemaker. I have a good dream. I want to be a good teacher, and my favorite hobby is playing football. And my favorite player, Sakib Al Hassan. Actually, I get up early in the morning, and then I go to washroom and get fresh. Next, I say my prayer and I recite the Holy Quran every day. And getting back home, I take my breakfast. That's all.